Hi, I'm Josh Cook and I'm here with Euro Car Parts.
And I'm Chris, I'm the training manager for LKQ Academy. We look after mechanics training, everything from MOT training all the way up to hybrid and EV.
Today we're going to have a look at replacing the cabin filter on your car. Chris, what are some of the reasons or indications that your cabin filter might need replacing?
So normally the most prominent fault you'd see would be the windows not defogging. You'd also experience smells in the car, and maybe your aircon wouldn't be to full strength.
Okay.
You'd have a restriction in airflow through the car.
Okay.
The pollen filter is actually inside the airbox of the vehicle, and that stops pollen coming in the car and all the contaminants, but that obviously blocks up with time and dirt going through it.
That's good to know.
Vehicles have their cabin filters in different locations. Some can be under the scuttle panel. On this Suzuki we're working on today, the cabin filter is located behind the glove box area.
So most cars may need a screwdriver or a socket set to replace this, but the Suzuki doesn't actually need any tools at all. It can be done purely by hand. When removing it, take your time. It can be fiddly, so don't break any clips. Here's the old filter. As you can see, it's got lots of leaves and dirt in it. Make sure that none of those leaves fall back into the airbox when you are removing it. And it's good practice to make sure that the new filter goes in the same way that the old one is removed. So here's a comparison between the old filter and the new one. Make sure that you use the reg lookup on the Euro Car Parts app to find the correct filter for your car.
Okay, ready to pop the new filter in. So we need to be careful with the directions. It'll tell you which way the flow goes. So we just slide it back into the housing, push it all the way in, make sure it seals. We've got to be careful with the covers, delicate plastic clips. We need to make sure we get them back in correctly. We'll pop that in, and once it's in, we'll put the cover back over. Job complete.
So that's it, the filter's in. Now to give it a test. Makes a world of difference. Obviously making sure that all the smells have gone out the car is a good indication that everything's been done correctly. For any of the tools or any filters or other car parts, make sure that you go onto the Euro Car Parts app.